What's up, kids are technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, the kind people over at Benks kind enough to send me out their golden tide case and some of their accessories. So what's included is the case, a screen protector, the ring holder, and the fridge magnet. So we're just going to box this like so. So just bear with me so we can see what we get. Tab on the side, just pull it open like so. This is a nice little presentation, and I believe the case is the exact same color as the box. So now let's get everything out of here. I'm gonna have to just rip it open. Didn't want to. And I do want to say thank you because they reached out to me and was kind enough to send me this out. First time getting anything from Benks. Okay, so it says Benks. And you open it up. Man, that is nice. It says since 2008, protect better. So this is going to be your screen protector. I'm going to save this because I currently have a screen protector on my device already, but it comes with the screen protector. You get your case. You get your ring holder. And then you get your fridge magnet. So I'm going to put that right there for now. And this is everything I'm going to unbox first. Case. This is your case. This is nice. This is nice. Golden Tide. It's like woven. It says Benks. It is MagSafe capable. This is a thin case. So I'm going to get my iPhone 16 Pro Max, throw it in like so. So if you're a person that does not want too much protection, but you still want a nice look, sleek look, then this would be the case for you. I like it, but I kind of like a little bit more protection, but I'll see how it goes. It does feel nice on the back. You get your yellow, your red, and your orange, and then a darker red here. You don't get a lip, so it would be nice to have screen protector on your device like I currently do right now. You get a nice ring on the back, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go, no problem. Down here you do get the cutouts that you would need, and you get access to your alert slider, volume up and down button, no problem. You get access to your control switch, which is nice. Overall, this is a nice looking, feeling case. I'm trying to get a close-up to see a little woven pattern. So this was the case, Golden Tide. I like that. So now let's open up the ring, MagSafe capable ring, and I'm sure this is going to match the case perfectly. So let's see. Yes, it does. So this matches your case just like that. So it's like a MagSafe poppable ring with like a pop socket. It has the ring, Then it also has like a pop socket stand. So you could throw this back of your phone if you're kind of person that likes to rock that. And that actually looks real nice on my iPhone 16 Pro Max with this case. So this just allows you to have access to using this as a kickstand, as you can see. Not bad. Then you also have access to using this like this to use your device for some grip protection. No problem. This is very, very nice. And since it's MagSafe capable, I'm going to bring my wireless charging bank over. Charges just like that, no problem. So now let's open up the magnet. So this is pretty much for your fridge, and I just want to show you what it looks like. It's for your fridge, but I think this is also for like a can open to open pops. And it says since 2008 Benks. So this was nice. This is a nice little unboxing. This is a nice case, and this is a nice accessory for the case. I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.